Hey, so with the cooking kits, there are four total kits. Two are general cooking. They have the measuring cups, the bowls, the different utensils that you might need. So those are whatever recipes you want to do. Feel free to assign a recipe. Really use it as a tool to go over units of measure. So the measuring cups, the measuring spoons, getting them to understand quantities and estimating things. Like if I say it's going to be this, how big would that be, or how much would that be? Is a great way to use the two larger robust cooking kits. They also have a hand mixer and all that kind of stuff in there. So any type of recipes, whatever you guys want to do with your children or with your clients, would be a good idea. Then there's two other kits. One is more a cake decorating kit, so it has all the materials to do kind of like an actual different layer cake where you can do the forms for the cake. It also has like the different tools that you would need to use to actually decorate the cake. And the other one is a cake pop making kit where you have like sticks and the form to make cake pops. So that's another fun activity that you can do with the cooking kits. So again, there are four of them, two larger ones with all the utensils, the hand mixer, the bowls, all that kind of stuff, and then one cake decorating and one cake pop making kit.